Hello, I'm Mr. Zhang, a designer of a fellow display company. Today, I'd like to introduce you Ghost Mannequin and show how to use it. The Ghost Mannequins have many parts. Each part has a special use, which will better display your merchandise. Part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For example, for high collar neckline, take off the first part. For low corner clothes, take off the second part. For business suit or V-cut, take off the third part. For swallow-tailed coat, take off the abdomen. The arms can be removed to feature long or short sleeves, like this. The Ghost Mannequin, with its unique name, is great for photographers, since there is less Photoshop to do, which can be very time-consuming and easy to show the logo. Please remember its name, a fellow Ghost Mannequin. Mannequin parts are wrapped individually in the cartoon box when you receive it. First, we begin by assembling the mannequin base. Put the 4 adjustable feet on base. You can use them to adjust the height. Then we install these 2 support rods. Can adjust the distance between the 2 rods. Fit on the screws for fixing. The 360 degrees rotating table. It will make the mannequin body turn in different angles accurately. It also has level instrument. This can help base achieve perfect level if you use together with 4 adjustable feet. Finally, I will show you how to assemble the body of the mannequin. Retailers love the versatility of this mannequin because it offers many different style options. Using only one mannequin, it is a cost-effective and extremely popular alternative to traditional mannequins. Using this mannequin will simplify many works. You just need to use the pen tool to cut out the external outline of clothes, so you won't need many complex Photoshop works on the original pictures. Look, a perfect picture for these clothes is finished. Very simple, right? Do you need one? Please contact us.